All right, guys, welcome back to another video straight out of content. Yes, I know my books are backwards. I know it's backwards, but you gotta grab these books. You gotta grab both of these books. I just had that book upside down. That is really embarrassing. So this right here, this is my original book. The way that I'm filming my camera, I got my new setup. It's pretty cool. Let me know if you guys like it. This right here is the original handbook, Kia Hyundai engine handbook, special guide to getting your engine replaced. This right here is the script book, and I'm gonna walk you guys through that because of this awesome guy, Mr. Collins. I'm gonna read you guys real quick. I'm about to have dinner. I wanted to read you guys what him and I were going back, but just listen. I'm gonna just tell you guys this is real life, like real life. Hundreds of thousands of people keep reaching out to me, keep contacting me about Kia and Hyundai. This just happened August 10th. So I said, thanks for grabbing the book. You must have watched. Oh no, he said something. Look, this is real. I can't make this up. He said, I bought your book and I sent you the order number. I like everything you're saying in your videos that will be in the book. Please send me a download link. I said, thanks for grabbing the book. You must have watched old ass videos. Both my books are on the new website, Carl's Garage. The second book is a script book, right? So then he said, I thought you said right? So he like bought the one book and then he was like, he bought one book because a lot of people, you guys are just buying this book and not buying the script. Or you guys are buying the script and you're not buying the original book. The reason why you need both is because the first book, which you'll see him here in a second, gives you all of these documents for you to find your specific car and then build your case. The more paperwork you have and then you bring to the dealership, the easier it is to get your engine replaced, especially for those people without the KSDS. But there is actually the actual book in here. So what you're looking at there is this right here. Everything right here. Now this right here is just for video purposes, but the digital book is all right here. And then all these documents. So Mr. Collins was like, I thought you said everything was in the book, sir, LOL. I'm not seeing anything but lawsuits and recalls. There's no actual book to read. I just showed you that there's the book to read. So again, I already did this video on Carl's Garage. I'm doing it here straight at the content. So yeah, there is a book to read. Of course, that wouldn't make any sense. But also there's a lot of documents. So I tell him, I said, everything is in the book. There are two books. I didn't have either book and figured it out myself. Don't be lazy. This shit takes time. And then I, went on to say when I was going through it, I didn't have anybody back in 2020, 2019. I didn't have anybody when my car started to shake and everything. I had to do all this research for the last 5 years myself and write all these books, code the website. This is all coded 100% by me. This is not a Shopify theme or anything. I've done all of this work all by myself, wrote all the books all by myself, so on and so forth. So then I say, literally a book is a lot more, I said, literally a book, so there is a book, and a lot more documents to help people's cases, which I've helped thousands over the past 5 years fix up. Because guys, listen, you gotta figure it out. Like you just can't buy the book and then just come to me asking me all the questions that are answered in the book or in my videos or something like that. Like you gotta do the work too. So he says, I will call them tomorrow. I'm going to follow your script. Very important, this script. He's gonna show you guys, watch. I'm gonna follow your script. I've watched so far. Thank you for the push. Thank you for the push. I have to push a lot of people because they're gonna push on you. They're gonna push back. They're gonna tell you a lot of bullshit. Thank you for the push and your mentorship, brother. Bro, you are so funny. No, the slut man, LOL. Don't say that, LOL. I fell out of my chair laughing, LOL. Yeah, because I be going crazy. Like, listen, if you're gonna come to me like, oh, can you help me? I just bought the book, it's like, yo, you gotta do your part. Like, don't be a lazy slut out here. Like, it's some shit that we say in New York. Anyway, bong. So we're gonna go down right here. So he said that on the 10th, the next day. So almost 24 hours later, he says, bro, you are a genius. I called them and they agreed to cover it. Wow, wow, wow. I guess I am the slut now, LOL. That's what I'm saying. Listen, I'm telling you, like when I wrote this first book, it helped a lot of people. But once I matched it with the script and exactly what to say to the Kia dealerships and the Hyundai dealerships, let me show you guys, right? Once I tell you, that script, this right here, this book, you need both, get both. But this script right here, because you can just call and say the script, but if you don't got the backup documents that you're gonna get in this book, they will still try to screw you. They're gonna tell you some stuff like they told him, like so he was like, He was like, thank you, bro, you're a genius. And he was like, thank you again, bro, for helping me out. I laughed. My wife and I laughed. We had a great time. He said he'll do that. Thanks for everything. Like, it wasn't animosity. I may be like blunt with you guys. I may be like straight up, but I swear to God, it's all love. I just like to be humorous and funny, but I'm straight. I'm in New York. I'm just, if you come to me with some lazy shit or some bullshit, I'm gonna just shoot straight at you. Like, look, bro, if you got the books, you got to do the work. Because I already did the work. So what do you expect me to hold everybody's hand? There's thousands of people. I get hundreds of emails a day to equal like a lot. And that doesn't include the comments, the Instagram messages. People are finding me in all different types of places. TikTok, it's crazy. People are finding me everywhere to help me with their car. So I created everything I could for you guys to get, and then together, like with all the information that's out there, share, but then call. Like, you literally have a script now. What more? Why would you try to pay for me when you have the script? Anyway. But at the end of this is where they'll try to screw you. I want to get back to this point before I end this video. I forgot to tell you, it's called an extended warranty and mileage should not exceed 150,000 miles. So in the last video, he was like, that's what they told me. They told you straight bullshit. Don't listen. There's no such thing as a 150,000 mile warranty. That's not going to block you from getting your engine replaced. If that was the case, then why would they put the KSDS on? That doesn't make any sense. These issues usually happen right after 100,000 miles. So you're telling me once it happens a little after 100,000 miles, or sometimes even before, you only have up to 150,000 miles, even if you have the KSDS, before you can get your engine replaced? That's the dumbest shit I've ever heard. So you're telling me you're 151,000 miles, they're not gonna replace your engine? Yet they're gonna put a used engine in your car in which you're going to drive, then you're going to reach over 150,000 miles, and then what? You don't get your second engine replaced, yet it's a lifetime engine warranty? That's all bullshit. That's all stupid. That's what these dealers keep trying to tell you guys to screw you over. Don't let them do it. Anyway, so during my last video, I said, doing a video now, that is a cold bullshit lie. If that car had 151,000 miles on it, are you telling me they wouldn't replace the engine? Get the F out of here, bro. They just don't stop with the bullshit. They don't. It's so stupid. They have to replace your engine, 100%. They have to. So even with the 150,000 miles, even without the KSDS, it does not matter. If you have both of these books, these are going to be, I can't legally say that anything is a guarantee, but if you have both of these books, these two, this combination is your best bet. If you don't have a salvage title, because people keep asking me about salvage title. No, who on God's green earth would buy a salvage title Kia or Hyundai? I don't know. You make bad decisions. Maybe you should get like a counselor or something like that to help you. But everybody else out there with a regular title vehicle, Kia or Hyundai, with these two books, you're going to have your best chance to getting your engine replaced. You are going to have your best chance. The reason why is because one of them is a document book and all the information that you need with the lawsuit and all pertaining to all your cars. Then the second one is a script on exactly what to say to these scumbags who are going to try to do whatever the hell they can so they don't have to replace your engine. Because these dealers are having to do it for free, and then they're waiting for Kia to pay them back, and all they're doing, yes, they're putting a used engine in your car. Tired of people asking me that question. Watch my videos. They're not putting a brand new engine in your car. Kia's not making brand new engines. They no longer make the Theta 2. They no longer make the other NUMPI engine. They don't make any of those old engines from 2010 to 2019, 2020. They don't make them. So you have to do everything in your power to get your engine replaced. And if you have the KSDS, it's going to be a lot easier, but they still will try to screw you. If you do not have that KSDS, which is a software that they put on your car so it can go into limp mode so that you can make it to the dealership. If you don't have that, they're going to basically tell you, hey, you don't have that, therefore we can deny you. Even though that is bullshit. And when you buy my book, you'll get the pamphlet that they're supposed to send to everybody, but they don't. And in this pamphlet, which talks about the KSDS, they say that a lifetime warranty covers the short block, consisting repair maintenance is essential, obtaining the highest level. Where is the one? Oh, Kia will not deny a warranty claim solely because you do not have your records of show. In addition, the lifetime warranty may be eligible to receive compensation in future out-of-pocket expenses and stuff like that. So if you don't have maintenance records, if you don't have anything, even if you don't have the KSD, I think it even has it in here with, even if you don't have the KSDS, they can't deny you. That might be up here. I gotta go. But again, that's what the KSDS is for, is to detect this stuff so that you can put your car in the limp mode and get you to a dealer. But even without it, you cannot be denied because there is a recall. There is a recall. It's all in the lawsuits and everything. There is a recall on your car. You cannot be denied because you didn't know or you didn't make it to the dealership to put that stupid ass KSDS, which does nothing to the car. It does nothing to keep the car safe or nothing. can't be denied because you don't have that. But if you don't know that, or if you don't have the documents as you see here, or if you don't have the script to say exactly what to say, like Mr. Collins did, you don't have the script book to tell you exactly what to say, then they're going to screw you and you're just gonna have to hang up the phone because you're not tooled. You're not armed with the right things for the job. So head on over to Carl's Garage. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Also, if you have any questions, come on over to Carl's Garage. The link is in the description. Scroll all the way down and I have this section right here for you. So all you have to do is fill this out and then select your vehicle. If you don't see your vehicle, just select other. And then still write your message right here, hit send. Let me know your situation. I'll reply to you instantly and then we'll go from there. But again, getting the books is gonna be your best case scenario. Check out everything, share. And a lot of people don't share my content. Share it on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, whatever else you have. There's mad bees outside. Share it everywhere so that we can get this content out because they don't want to replace anybody's engine. They hate me. So don't let them shut me up. Don't let them block me. Don't let them shadow ban me or whatever. Don't let them do any of that, okay? We're gonna fight. We're gonna fight the good fight. We're gonna fight. Look, Chelly, I'm doing my fist. We're gonna fight the good fight against Kia. All right, guys.